Number 1. Look more than you draw.
Spend time looking at the photo. Notice the shapes. Notice how the shapes interact with each other. Notice the reference points. There is a large oval shape for the body. The body curves up and to the left. The top of the body is a bit like a rectangle with a curve at the bottom, leading to a circle for the head. The tail is a long cylinder. Notice how the left elbow touches the knee, but there is a gap between the right elbow and the knee. Keep these things in mind when you are drawing, and keep looking more than you are drawing.
Number 2. Start gripping the pencil away from the tip.
Start by holding your pencil away from the tip. This allows you to be more loose, creating flowing lines and have a light touch. You want to start with a faint drawing while you are still finding the shape and proportions. Holding the pencil away from the tip allows you to do this.
Number 3. Draw the big shapes first.
Here I am, starting the drawing by capturing the largest part of the body, which is an oval shape.
Number 4. Ghost your lines.
Practice the line just above the paper before committing to actually drawing on the paper. Here I am practicing the line once or twice before drawing it on the paper. I am drawing so slowly as I am constantly checking the reference image. How close is the right side of the leg to the middle of the body? How high up the body does the knee start? Etc. I am constantly asking and answering these questions as I draw. Here you can see the side of the face doesn't come out further than the elbow. Drawing in a circle for the head, roughly placing the eyes. Trying not to get too much into the details, capturing some of the smaller shapes now that I have the main body shapes. As I get more into the smaller shapes and more details, I move my grip slowly closer to the tip of the pencil. This gives me more precision and control. Moving on to the arms, noticing the angles and placement of the elbows, the shape of the arms as they meet at the chest. Continuing down the body to the legs and tail.
Number 5. Flip the image or use a mirror.
This is useful when it comes to spotting mistakes. While you are drawing, you spend so much time looking at something from one angle and perspective, it becomes normalized in your mind. Looking at the drawing with a mirror allows you to see it from a new perspective. Here I am, putting the tips into practice as I finish my drawing.